Good morning, YouTubers. Remember I told you I need to replace the steering, steering wheel with the cruise control and the steering gearbox. So I'm back at my property where this unit is stored. You remember that? I was pulling it. And today we are going to pull this stuff out because it has almost brand new steering wheel. You see the buttons, they are not damaged at all. And also we will pull, yeah, the weather is nasty today, but I mean, at least it's not raining, right? But it's been raining for last couple of days. And we will pull the gearbox right there. So it's pretty simple, 10mm out, 3 bolts on this side and then 1 on the bottom. And I'm pretty sure it will fit my truck. If not, then I'll just throw it away. Anyway, so this is the plan. Let's stick to it. This is our wiring, but I will not set up the other camera to do kind of like, slow-mo or different kind of, you just pull it out and picture the result, because it's, you see, if I put the tripod in it will be dirty and messy. But we have a lot of animals coming in and out over here, so it's we have to start hunting over here. So far we have pulled steering gearbox, column. This is for the Excursion. I rechecked the wiring, cleaned it as far as I could, and I will bring it back today. And this is the core for the Freightliner Cascadia, and this is it. We'll go from there, and I will keep you posted, guys. Just look at the reflection. So I'm back in the yard. Today I'm gonna throw at least the engine wires in. If I'll have enough time, I will do the cab wires as well. I got a couple hours today to work on this truck, so I'll do the time lapse, because explaining where and how to connect everything will take forever to film. So let's get back to work. So I hooked up most of it, but that one is different, the resistor for the fan speed. So other than that, everything is over here connected, over there also connected. I didn't connect that part for the wipers, but other than that, there is a significant difference in the wiring on the Excursion and the F2 that I have. There's, see, especially over here, mine has only 2 pins going to the I guess it's just the temperature, but over here it's much more than 2, and all the connectors for the upper stuff as well. So if I just connect it like that, none of that will be working, and I obviously don't want that. So I'll try to look on the eBay. There's a guy in the group, he said he's got the Excursion wiring. I'll check it. If it will fit, I probably just will buy it, because as for now it will take me zillion, trillion, bazillion, 100 hours to
1 billion, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion.
trace it, put it all back together, and there is no guarantee that it will work again. So let me show you. So this is the, you see, those connectors, they're different from the F350. They're much more wires over here. And those wires, they go into, see, on the thick wires, and there's relays on that and stuff like that. And yeah, it just, I'm not sure if I really want to do it. And one more thing on the Excursion that I haven't found on the mine is this. You see, I don't know where this one is going, but I'll trace it and find out. So